about this thing a little bit. This is my fuel pump, swirl pot, and the hard line. The fuel injection hose came in to this really tight bend here. It was actually starting to kink. It's great, awesome radius, should flow plenty well. It's isolated, shouldn't have any issues with fatiguing or work hardening and cracking. Steering rack. It's good, it's out of the way. Cleanest solution I could do, doesn't drill any new holes. That is where the washer bottle installs. Left-hand drive car, water bottle sits over here on the passenger side. Right-hand drive car, it's also on the passenger side, but the passenger side is over there. The wiring loom assumes that it's still a right-hand drive car. British car problems.